Have you ever wondered how a convex lens forms an image? Today, we will break it down step by step using ray diagrams. Don't worry, it is simple once you know the rules. A convex lens is also called a converging lens because it bends light rays inward. To draw ray diagrams, we need three key parts. First, the principal axis. This is the straight horizontal line passing through the center. 2. The optical center. This is the exact middle of the lens. Number 3. The focal points. One on each side at equal distance from the center, called the focal length. To locate an image, we just need two rays. The first ray or the ray number 1, this is a ray parallel to the principal axis and will refract through the focal point on the opposite side. Ray number 2, a ray passing through the optical center goes straight without bending. Let's try an example. Let's say we place an object beyond 2F. First, draw ray 1. From the top of the object, parallel to the axis, then through the focal point. Next is to draw ray 2. From the top of the object, passing straight through the optical center. Where the two rays meet, that's your image. And in this case, the image is real, inverted, and smaller than the object. And if the object is placed between the focal point and the lens, the rays diverge. But if you trace them backward, the image is virtual, upright, and magnified. And that's how magnifying glasses work. So that's how to draw ray diagrams for a convex lens. Just remember the two special rays, and the rest is practice. If this helped you understand, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's also studying physics.